In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality with AI blurry photos using Canva AI. If you've got a photo that looks soft, pixelated, or just not as sharp as you'd like, Canva's Image Upscaler can quickly boost clarity by enlarging the image and restoring details with AI. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one where you want the improved photo to live. Starting within a design makes it easy to drop the enhanced image straight onto your canvas, so you can keep working without switching tools. On the left side panel, click Apps, then use the search bar to find Image Upscaler. This is Canva's built-in tool for sharpening and enlarging photos. Open it, and you'll be prompted to add an image. Upload the blurry photo you want to fix. You'll see options to choose the upscale amount, 2x, 4x, 8x, or even up to 16x. These numbers represent how much larger the image will become. As a general tip, start with 2x or 4x for most photos. Higher multipliers can be great for tiny originals, prints, or detailed graphics, but they may take longer to process and won't magically create detail that never existed. Pick the smallest upscale that gives you the clarity you need to keep things looking natural. When you're ready, click Upscale Image. The AI will analyze your photo, reduce noise and grain, and reconstruct edges and fine textures like hair, fabric, and small objects. Processing time varies with image size and the upscale level you chose. If your photo contains text or faces, the AI will try to sharpen those areas while keeping them realistic. It's normal for very low-quality originals to improve noticeably without becoming perfectly crisp. Once the upscale is complete, you'll get a preview with a slider so you can compare before and after. Take a moment to look at key areas, eyes, edges, and backgrounds to make sure details look balanced and not overly processed. If you're happy with it, click Add to Design. The enhanced image will land directly on your canvas, ready to resize, crop, or combine with other elements. The original file remains available, so you can easily switch back if you want to try a different upscale amount. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching.